2 of the destruction of Verdansk already.
Wait, what? I'm watching. Oh, wait, what? Oh, you lied now.
Event, chine-check ko yung event eh. Nag out kami on queue 20 minutes sa event. Tapos lagi na. Gusto ko lang makita. Kaya pati si Z-Laner eh, talaga pinapanood ko.
Wait, check DMs, bro.
Ay na, ang dami na oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, my God. Wait, Walker actually did donate to the stream and I didn't even see it. Okay. Okay.
Si Dr. Disrespect nandun pa siya eh. Hindi pa siya na-logout eh.
I guess we're just watching, chat. I guess we're just watching the event. I guess we're just watching the event. A lot of people are crashing right now. A lot of people can't even play it. Doc is apparently somehow still in.
Welcome to That's What I Thought. Travel with experience.
Excuse me.
Experience.
app now.
See ya. How about this up? Get back in!
How about this? I love it.
Where'd this guy go, man? Oh, I see. I
Wala,
see.
hindi rin yata malalaro. Sana ang daming, busy yung server nila eh. On queue ako eh.
Wait. You went to the left instead of
20
upstairs.
minutes.
I should have seen it. But I'm not finished with them.
88%. Nasa queue ako, 20 minutes.
Oh. Oh my god. Get shit on.
I don't know why it makes me just want to grind my teeth.
29. Tanginang yan. Event na yan.
Man, I want to play this game mode so I can
2020.
drop 100.
Pare-parehas yata eh.
It's gonna be so fun.
Sabi 20 minutes eh.
I'd be dropping a heater this game.
No, I don't want to go forward.
Dang. Tangina. Ayos sana maglaro. Puro zombie na ang pucha.
Alright, we're still waiting. Come on.
Maybe 20 minutes.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, Doc is so
Thank you, lads. Thank you, lads. Nanonood lang yata tayo ah.
It's only 17, 50. Oh my god, 13, 12 players left. 11 players
Is it,
left.
what part is
Oh
this
my
right
God,
now,
how is
James?
the
Is this
map
part 3?
going easily?
What'd I miss?
They're dying so good. 7 players?
What'd I miss?
6 players left. The whole map is almost overrun. I think once the map gets overrun, something's gonna happen. It's gotta.
Kapasok ka na ba, Lods?
Oh my god, there's so many zombies over here. Oh my god, the last team is up in ATC Tower. No way! That's the best place you could possibly go. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's 2 guys out there waiting. No way, man. That's actually insane. There's no way.
Eliminate human.
Eliminate humans. Humans are all dead. Oh wait, there's still a juggernaut. Wait, where's the juggernaut? It says he's in the zone.
Can't leave us out here. We're still fighting off these damn zombies.
Wait, get to the
for exfil.
Similasan.
DEFCON nuke inbound 10 seconds. 9, 8,
This is a
7,
bespoke Pokemon.
6,
This box is called
5,
Forge.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful canvas. Look at that.
This thing is jam packed. Look at this thing.
This is a 256 layer Damascus steel.
Welcome to That's What I Thought.
We're
Welcome
finally
to That's
nuking
What
the
I
map,
Thought.
baby.
Travel to Mars takes 7 months.
Yan na, yan na.
Nuking it, baby.
Instantly with Experian. That's it for ways to raise your credit scores instantly.
Boost your credit scores and save only with
Oh
Experian.
my god!
Download the app now.
All across the board. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So much geo changes. All the different. Congratulations on completing the destruction of our dance part
Nabog
1.
na.
To celebrate, we are
God, the
rewarding
sound
you
comms
with
at the end of
this.
that game.
This is all I get for going through all of that. Bad news, Z. Bad news.
What is the bad news?
That on my screen it still says the destruction of Verdansk
Z.
part 1, and that's the only thing that I can click on.
No.
Tang, eh.
You know what I noticed is that it
No,
looks like if
Z.
you're the last
God,
player
the sound
alive,
comms at
it
the end of
keeps
that
going.
game.
Like it doesn't end until
This is
all the
bad
players
news,
become
Z.
zombies.
Bad
and they
news.
detonate the nuke. What is the bad news?
That
That one team that decided to
on
go
my
up into
screen
ATC,
it
that
still
is like
says
the
the
best possible
destruction of
strategy. I don't even know how they
Verdansk part
ended up
1,
dying.
and as yeah, that's what I was wondering. I'm like, did the zone swallow it up?
I don't know. That was crazy though. They got lucky that happened to be there. Because holy
Yeah.
shit, there was a lot of zombies all around. I'm still in a 20-minute and 0-second queue, and the timer hasn't moved a bunch. And I've reset the game 5 different times, and yeah, it's a great update overall.
On level 3rd division. Nitro Luke, I'm joining now, yep.
Really happy to be getting content, for all channels.
So we can't play the game, number 1. That's part 1 is still on my screen. Part 2 is in what, 3 hours?
Oh my god.
Yung naglo-load na sa akin eh.
So this is the game plan, huh? They're just gonna have people waiting here all day playing the same game mode over and over and over again for 3 hours.
I
Can you even play
I-
Rebirth? Can you play Rebirth Island? Or is that not
could play
even?
I could play a private match. Maybe a little Warzone private match, a little plunder training.
Yun. I got my screen.
I mean, I'll go through it once you get in. Are you in yet, Z?
No. I keep restarting and it keeps
Part
giving me
1 pa rin
server
eh.
maintenance. But not actually doing anything. This is so sad, chat. So sad. Everyone's spamming to keep resetting and they'll let you in. I don't know, chat. I've reset 100 times now and it's not letting me in.
Kapasok ako.
So dumb, bro!
Part 1. Ganun din eh, yung nangyari kanina.
I gotta keep re-plugging in my mouse because I'm using it for other things.
Get yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Enemy dropping into the air.
Tara, tara! Anyone got a mic?
Alright lads, let's get it done. Juggernaut armor is inbound. Get it secure. Anyone need this? Single shooter. Does anyone need this? We've got an enemy juggernaut. Arm up.
Naprito na naman ng puto.
achieve this. Moving here. Disregard left.
Holy shit.
Fire! Friendly target!
Damn. Oh shit.
Target ID.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Movement.
eliminate humans. You got your 14 other players.
What is this exfil situation?
Wait, apparently Doc will win if he kills everyone and stays a human. Okay, that's the goal. That's the goal. Okay. Doc, coming up the zip. Coming up the zip, I think. Yeah. Zip.
I think you can kill him.
Right here. Beautiful. I'll keep calming it for you.
Hey, this zone.
Oh, the zip! Wait, invisible! Wait, I just saw an invisible zip come up.
What, leave? I guess
No, wait, what? Oh, zone! Yeah, zone. Yeah. I think you have to get to the exfil. Oh, you're just... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, that was sick. That was sick, man.
Damn.
Wait, I think we can win this, Doc. I think we can actually end up winning this because someone has already. So I think we just have to get to this exfil as a human, and we win. I want to watch this again just because I don't remember. Dude, that was sick. That was sick. I want to see if we can get an exfil though, chat. I want to see if we can exfil and get out. The exfil will always be a dam? Okay.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Bow!
Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
DOT just isn't like,
I know. I'm kind of afraid.
stadium god.
Dawn level 3rd division.
30. I could run some customs, yeah. I should...
Q and the timer hasn't moved a budge, and I...
Affirmative. They are still fighting in Verdansk. Keep them at the chance. Juggernaut armor is inbound. Get it secure. This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Allied cluster strike inbound.
containment protocol has been initiated.
The only thing that I can click on.